Dinosaurs! Dinosaurs! Ooh, we love dinosaurs. So, this game is called Roll and Do. So, here we have a list of dinosaur actions. So, if you see one red dinosaur, you roll one time. Rah! Rah! If you see two green dinosaurs, you turn around two times. Everybody, turn around two times. Okay? And here we have, a wonderful, beautiful die that we're going to use. Okay? So, let me show you the example first. So, you say, roll the die.
Roll the die.
Roll the die.
Roll the die.
Here we go.
Roll the die.
How many dinosaurs? How many dinosaurs? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 green dinosaurs?
No.
6 yellow dinosaurs?
No.
6
blue
dinosaurs.
dinosaurs.
Let's look on our paper. 6 blue dinosaurs. Where are they? Where are they? Lena, where are they? Here?
No.
No. Where are they?
They are here.
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 Okay. So, 6 blue dinosaurs. Jump in the air 6 times. Everybody, jump in the air 6 times. So, let's stand up. And we're going to jump in the air 6 times. Ready? And jump, 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 jump. Excellent. Good job. Can I play?
Can I play, please?
Yes, you can. So, roll the die.
Roll the die.
Up. 2 green dinosaurs. Let's look. Show me. 2 green dinosaurs. Here. I want to say here. Yes. Turn around 2 times. Stand up and turn around. Turn around. Yes, 2 times. Excellent. Okay, let's sit down and try to get as many students to play as you can. Simple. You have a die, actions, you play, and you repeat. Make them repeat. Use TPR, gestures.
Dinosaur.
Dinosaurs, okay? A lot of things like that.
Turn
Turn around. Here you go. Have fun, everyone. Bye.